guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am arranging all my international nail products, cleaning all my nail tools and nail polishes. So much stuff, cleaning all this. This is my monolens nail polish that I got from America. This is so good. I'm cleaning all of it. Putting in my Hey guys, this is all my products I got. My brother got from America. This is stamping gel set. This is his all art brushes. Famous Melody CZ brushes. Wait, I'm showing you. It's so I have to assemble all this stuff. This is beadless nail polishes brushes. This is a cake dye gel polishes. And cleaning this all is a messed up over here. One more stuff is there. I have to clean these also. This is a stamping kit that also I brought it. It's useful, not that much. I'm trying. This is the huge stamping art kit and acrylic powder that also I haven't used yet. I will show in upcoming video how it is. This have also 4 shady. This says it's so. This company says this is a very good product. Acrylic extension. This is a hard gel that also I have used this. I'm not getting the gel. This is something what we make 3D nail art. This is in most of the nail videos. So that also I ordered from America only. This is a set of 100 nail polish beadless. I will show you in upcoming videos. This is a very good. The quantity is not there. I will show you in short. So small, but it is so good. All shades. That one more layer is there down. One interesting thing I will show you guys. This is that monolens color nail polish palette. I thought it is a lipstick palette, but it is a nail polish palette. I will show you. This plays also like a music. Sure, this is like this. I have used some of the colors. It's good. It's so cute too. Setted all my chromes in one boxes. These are chrome I bought from here, and some chromes that I get it free was in some product I brought from America. Putting all these material just like this in a one boxes, so I can get. This is all glitter material, decoration material. Putting all these in one of my box that has 3 layers. This is a Sevilant nail glue that says 30 days super long wear. I will show you how much it stays the long lasting nails on my hands. This is for gelic nails that we put on UV light lamp. This is that nail glue. I will show you in further videos. These all are brushes that I have got that my brother gifted me when he came from US. These are the acrylic brushes that I haven't used. This is also a monolens acrylic brush, but this brush's reviews are very good. And this is a Melody, a famous brand called Melody CZ. These acrylic brushes are that they have created the best acrylic brushes. I have used this, and these are all for nail art purposes. Monolens only. I love the brand Monolens, and these brushes are from beadless. Some I have used and some I haven't used, but I haven't got this type of quality yet in India. they have the precise nail art brushes. We can create an unique design from this. These brushes also have a precise tips. These are my nail art collection. Nail art brushes collection. I will make some detailed video on this especially for acrylic brushes because I love it. These are my favorite base coat and top coat. I have used once only because the packaging of this is so luxurious. I will show you. So amazing bottle. They have so luxurious packaging. I love this brand also because it's so long lasting that once I have done, the gel polish doesn't remove 30 days. So amazing. I love the packaging of this. That's why only I have used once only, but I love it. So much mess I have created. I need to clean this all mess off off camera. I'm getting mad when I will clean all this stuff. Arranged all my US products in this box. Finally cleaned all my stuff. This is a stuff that I don't use. This is all my nail polishes, and this is the stuff I have arranged over here that I use for my client. This is the nail polishes. These are my random nail polishes and base coat, top coat, and that is my chrome and all. Finally I have cleaned all my nail stuff. Thank you so much guys for watching me.